9 Doors Shatavari Powder or Asparagus racemosus may be one of nature's best kept anti-aging secrets. It is traditional Ayurvedic herb also known as queen of the herbs that can help your skin and hair tremendously. Helps ward off wrinkles. Helps fade blemishes and suntans. Helps to prevent collagen breakdown. Provides anti-aging benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in antioxidants. Maintains skin elasticity. Get rid of dandruff. Helps prevent scalp infections. Promotes hair growth. Strengthening the hair roots. Shatavari is a traditional Ayurvedic herb that's got a list of benefits for you ageless glowing skin. Choose this right herb as an ingredient to make simple homemade face packs. Your skin will thank you and reward you back for this nourishing care.